Hi, this is John Hooper, disabled Vietnam veteran. Today we're going to discuss the VA cash out program. So the head VA underwriter at Wells Fargo many years ago in the early 2000s taught this program to me. At that time, there weren't very many people doing the program because they didn't know how to do it. This program can be really effective to help you consolidate your debt and reduce your payments. In today's marketplace, home values are dropping. It's important to remember the lessons of 2008 when everybody lost everything they had and lost their equity, and so many people got hurt, including us. I recently refinanced my home to 90% of the value, took the money out, paid off my debt, and saved $4,500 a month. That's a big deal. Most of you have experience talking to lenders, and when you call them, you get the runaround. You go from person to person to person. You're always calling back to try to find out if your loan's done or when it's going to get done. We have a small shop. We have low overhead, so we can give a lot more personal attention to you than the big lenders can. This is evidenced by the testimonials on my website, hoopervaloan.com, where you'll find a whole bunch of testimonials from people that have had a great experience with our company. Some of you have converted your VA loan to another loan type. And there's a lot of confusion about that because a lot of people don't realize that you can use your VA loan multiple times by restoring what's called your eligibility. If your loan was over 80% loan to value at the time you converted it, you paid a thing called mortgage insurance. That's an insurance that you pay for the loan to pay for other people's defaults. So before the values drop too far, you need to take out the equity and create a savings account with at least 6 months' expenses to cover rainy day problems. Recently, the lenders reinstated the 100% loan-to-value program. I know this sounds good, but there's an extra cost that goes along with that program. And most of the time, it increases your interest rate by a point to a point and a half, which some of you won't be eligible for the program. So you try to stay at 90%. People with VA disability can also reduce their property taxes. Now, this varies by counties in California. You have to be 100% disabled to be able to be eligible for that benefit. And usually you can go back 6 months and get a refund of the taxes you've already paid based on your income. I have provided a real case study for you on what's called a debt consolidation worksheet, where a veteran had a 2.25 rate, he went to 4.25, paid off all of his debts, and saved himself $1,394 a month by doing that. I know that sounds crazy, but it actually happens. But it depends a lot on how much debt you have and what the payments are. He was also able to turn the cash out program into a reserve account for himself with a 6 months reserve. After he paid his debts off, he was still able to take cash out and put it in a savings account for a rainy day for 6 months. You need to contact the assessor's office in your county, take your award letter, your DD-214, and your income down to the assessor's office, and they can help you fill out the documents, and they will be able to tell you how much you're going to be able to save on your property taxes if you're 100%. Hi, I appreciate you taking an opportunity to listen to me, and my number is 888-733-7790. Website is hoopervaloan.com. If you feel like I can help you, give me a call. I will personally do your loan for you, and I know what I'm doing.